Alright, it's a moment of truth. We've got the pipe patch in there. It's been sitting there for about an hour and a half, or actually, I'm sorry, about an hour and 45 minutes. Adam and I got it all set up along with Cullen earlier. So, our patch is hopefully about ready to go. We're going to deflate the packer, and what we've done is we've inserted a stent basically inside of here, and you can see a little bit of the patch right there, and it's rock hard. So it bridged across the bad pipe that's actually going through this footer and into this piece of PVC. We put the level on there to make sure that we were going to maintain proper slope. All right, Adam, go ahead and deflate it. Okay. All right. Yank that sucker out. And that's exactly what we want to see. No wet resin onto the packer. A little bit of water came out. That's all right. We sealed it off pretty good. Wow. Okay. Well, told it's probably leaking. So I'm gonna grab this up. Oh yeah, nice. Didn't fall right in there. Looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and run our camera through there. Finally put this sewer back together and get this customer back online with their sewer. Thanks to Dynamic Drain Plumbing and Drain Experts, Adam, Cullen, me, and Pipe Patch.